You ever stare at a blank screen 10 minutes before your show, panic because you got nothing prepared? Oh my goodness, been there, got the t-shirt. Now we all love doing a great radio show, but nobody loves the soul-crushing black hole that is show prep. Well, pull your head out of that hole. There's a new tool that will slash your prep time and actually make your show better. I'm talking more fun, more personality, more how the heck did they come up with that kind of content? And the best part, it's 125% free. Well, that's adjusted for inflation, of course.
We are on the air.
I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and I'm officially unleashing a brand new Chrome browser extension that's just gonna revolutionize your show prep routine. At least I'm not overselling it. It's called Robo Show Prep, and it's just like having your very own show producer right there in your browser. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how this works, give you a sneak peek at the bonus premium AI prompt packs, and show you how there's a better way to prep smarter and not harder. First, let's back it up a second. Before the bells, whistles, and browser extensions, we need to talk prep. And you've heard me ramble on about this before. Great shows start with great prep. That's it, no moss. Back in the day, I used to spend over an hour prepping every single show. We're talking digging through websites like a desperate dumpster diving raccoon. And that wasn't even the creative part. That was just gathering info, not even transforming it into something mildly entertaining. You know this, you don't want to just rip and read the news or station promos. You want to turn them into something unexpected, a twist, a joke, a wait, what? Kind of a moment. Now that's the good stuff, but as you know, all that takes time. And when you're juggling 18 other things just to keep your station running, well, good prep gets slammed to the back burner. So I thought, what if I could take the best stuff I use, the exact prompts that I feed into my AI tools, and many of them I've already shared with you right here, but what happens if I turn all of those into something easy, fast, and totally customizable? Boom! Behold the shiny and new Robo Show Prep. It's a righteously free Chrome browser extension that arms you with a library of handcrafted AI prompts designed specifically for us radio folk. Now, these are the same prompts that I use to whip up fresh batches of creative and engaging content for my all 80s flamethrower XXX80s. It's ridiculously simple. Just pick a category, grab a prompt, paste it into your favorite AI chatbot, and whammo, instant show prep. But the awesome feature is the ease of customization. Because what's the point of pasting a prompt and then having a fuss with typing all that info into the chat window? No. It's more streamlined to do it right here in the extension. Not only can you tell it what artist or song to generate content about, but you can tell it how much time that you have to deliver that content. Need something short to fit over a song intro? Well, boom, choose 15 seconds. You want to create a more substantial feature? Well, drop it down to 30 or 60 seconds. Customize it, tweak it, make it your own. And then you just click copy and paste that sucker into ChatGPT or Claude, Gemini, or whatever chatbot floats your digital dinghy. So let's kick this into gear. So in the playlist I have a song from Howard Jones coming up. Well, I want to fire up a Robo Show Prep, and my favorite view is this sidebar view. It just allows me to keep like ChatGPT open and look through these prompts, and I want to do this music fact prompt where we dig up a cool backstory about Howard Jones. I only need the script to be 15 seconds, so let's send this sucker off and see what we come up with. And look at that. In a matter of seconds, now I have something fun to share with the audience that they probably didn't know. So as you see, it's organized by category, and every prompt is designed to generate that radio-ready content in seconds. And don't think you're stuck with these. Heck no, you have some of your own A-list prompts in your content black book. Well, come on, throw them in the pot. The cool thing is you could create custom variables for the ultimate in customization. If you add this text string to a prompt, it'll allow you to enter your own info before you copy it, like I showed you earlier. And if these prefab categories don't cause you to tingle and jingle, well, you are in control of that too, and you can add an additional 3 of your own categories. And once again, to be 250% clear, this isn't some slimy paywall nonsense. It's absolutely free and comes with 10, yes, 10 super sexy starter prompts to get you creating fast. Because come on, since day one of this channel, I've only wanted one thing: for you to sound awesome on the air. Even if you're broke and broadcasting from Granny's garden shed, it doesn't matter. What does matter, all the juicy details on how to scoop up this extension are waiting for you in the description. Go check that out. Now, if you do want to kick things up to the next level, I have cooked up something special. Introducing the Premium Prompt Packs. 2 separate packs with 10 powerhouse prompts each. And these aren't your run-of-the-mill lame brain idea generators. They're fine-tuned creative machines. And just checking out Prompt Pack 2 here, you could see a number of my favorites. I actually did a video on this cool artist birthdays feature. And of course, there's the snarky weather report, which is always a big hit for morning shows. And another listener favorite, horoscopes. But how about we pair a horoscope with the perfect song? After feeding it some key listener information, we toss it to the bots and see what they come up with, and we'll see what Gemini's musical future looks like. And this is a very fun segment, and it totally flips the idea of what listeners expect for a horoscope segment. And once again, that's the point. When you think about all the time you're going to get back, they're super affordable. Plus, they actually help support this channel and keep this content coming, which I greatly appreciate. And I do thank you if you end up picking those up. But even if you never buy a single prompt pack, the free version is still a total prep changer. And come on, this isn't about just shaving a few minutes off your to-do list. It's about leveling up your content without burning out. Because if you're like me, you didn't get into radio to just kill time by blowing hot air. You got into it to connect, to create, and to surprise your audience with something they didn't see coming. But that doesn't happen by Googling interesting news stories 5 minutes before you hit the mic. With Robo Show Prep, you're not just saving a ton of time, you're making room for better ideas, fresher content, and more moments that'll make your listeners go, oh my God, did they really just say that? And come on, let's be honest. Haven't we all sat there staring at a hot mic thinking, what the heck am I going to talk about today? Yeah, Paco, not anymore. So here's what you got. A free tool that gives you a creative jumpstart for every single show, whether you're live or voice tracked. A growing library of handcrafted prompts you could use, remix, and just run wild with. And if you want more creative juice, 2 premium prompt packs. That's 20 extra prompts to take your show from good to hot damn major market good. Just check out the links in the description for all the Robo Show Prep goodness. Here's the deal. I made this little tool for radio nutters like you and me. You know, the ones who still believe that personality actually matters, that creativity still wins, and that show prep doesn't have to suck or be a time suck. So come on, head over to the Google Chrome store and grab this baby now. It is waiting for you. And if it ends up helping you, oh my goodness, please leave a review in the store and tell me about it in the comments below. But bottom line, just use it to make something weird and wonderful on the air, because that's all that really matters. Now, if this lit your radio fuse, well, please, come on, hit me with a like and a subscribe. I do thank you so much for hanging out. I am Jeff, the Radio DJ dude, and until our next little radio rodeo, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.